Welcome to Complete Email, providing email marketing solutions for your benefit. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be informed when I post. Here are the steps to create an effective newsletter strategy. 1. Start with a welcome campaign. A welcome campaign should provide them with valuable information about your company, product, or service, in this case, the newsletter subscription. In a welcome campaign, you can include an introduction, an invitation to connect, an incentive to sign up, and a thank you for reading and signing up. The welcome campaign should be designed in such a way that it is relevant to the customer and their needs. 2. Analyze and segment your email lists. Segmenting your email lists will help to ensure that you send the most relevant content to your target audience. As you build your email list, you should consider each connection by factors that include demographics, engagement, the stage in the customer journey. Effective segmentation of your email list will help you to keep your subscription numbers high and improve conversion rates. 3. Implement a personalized approach. Throughout the process of segmentation, you should seek to discover commonalities that allow you to personalize your approach. For example, what topics most interest your subscribers? What are their preferred mailing frequency and times? What types of content and content subjects do they prefer? What is their stage in the sales cycle? Make sure that you set your email system to send your emails addressed to subscribers by name. 4. Craft specific language for your target audience. The language you use in content reflects who you are and the people that you are trying to reach. If you want to create content that resonates with your target audience, it's important to craft language for them. This means using words and phrases that they will understand and feel connected to. It also means using words that will resonate with their values and goals. 5. Establish a relationship before trying to sell. Establishing a relationship is the first step to selling. It is important to get to know your customer and find out what they want before you try to sell them anything. You can use social media, your blog posts, email campaigns, and your newsletters to develop trust, which is the vital component in a customer relationship. 6. Interact with your recipients. There are many ways to interact with your newsletter recipients. You can send them surveys, set up an online chat, and send them links to other content on your website. All of these will help you to gain better insights into what they want from you. 7. Keep your CTAs simple. It is important to keep the call to actions in your newsletters and email campaigns simple so that the user can easily understand what they are supposed to do. CTAs should be clear, concise, and specific. Make interacting with you and doing what the call to action requests as easy as possible. 8. Ask your list for feedback. One of the best ways to improve the effectiveness of your newsletters is by asking your audience for feedback on what they want to read. You can do this by including a link at the end of each newsletter that says, "What would you like me to write about next?" Other ways you can ask for feedback include sending out surveys periodically, asking for feedback when someone subscribes or unsubscribes, asking for feedback on every campaign you send.